My name is Carolyn, and I work in HR for AT&T. My son is a medic for the U.S. Army stationed in Kuwait. Just prior to his recent tour, he and his high school sweetheart were married. Shortly after his departure, they learned his wife was pregnant with their first child. In the following months, my son was able to support his wife through their pregnancy. And although he was not able to make it in time for the birth of his daughter, he was present on video, encouraging his wife through the labor and delivery. Many check-in calls followed, and because of that connection, when my son finally did come home, his baby girl knew exactly who her daddy was. It's those life-changing moments that make you realize how important connections are.